Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to today. In my Splendies for February 2021. I like getting this bag each month. Here's the cute packaging. Splendies is $14.99 a month. You get 3 pair of panties. Just going to open this. Size is small to 4X. If you need the larger sizes, 6+ sizes, $16.99 a month for 3 pair. Select your size. Like I said, small to 4X. Choose your style. Thongs, no thongs, or surprise me. I would suggest, like people have done before me, to size up at least 1 size, maybe 2, depending upon how you like. How you like your panties to fit. And this is what I see this month. So we have a little bit of a St. Patrick's Day theme. Oh, these are really nice. Wilshire, Montana. That's a nice black pair of panties. Oh, I like these. Nice and soft. Around the legs is like that. It looks like laser cutting, but it is hemmed on the inside. Cotton crotch lined. Oh, these are really cute. Kind of mesh, but they're, tagless, so the tag isn't, the marking is inside. These are really cute. I like them a lot. Oh, I like these too. These are from Splendies, $12 value. I think Wilshire, Montana is $12 value. Look at these for St. Patrick's Day. Cute. Nice lace. No bow. Nice openings. Cotton lined crotch. These are adorable, and these are nice and soft. Almost feel like cotton, but they're not. Okay, excited for them, too. Oh, these are adorable this month. Look at this pair. I love these. Oh, shamrocks, nice wider waistband right there. Lace, very soft. The openings of the leg look like laser, but they're not. They're hemmed. Look at the back, and I'll show you in here. You can see. So it looks like a laser cut, but you can see the hem, and there is some stretch, and there's nice stretch in the lace. I love these this month. They did a great job at theming their bag with St. Patrick's Day, and then just a standard, black pair of panties. You can't go wrong. I love this bag each month. One, they're brand new underwear. Never returned. If you order these in the wrong size, lesson learned. Share them with somebody, don't try them on, or if you've tried them on, you try them on with other panties, or wash them. Share them with a family member or a friend if that's, if you can do that. Or chalk it up to, I ordered the wrong size. You cannot return them, which I love. That whole process of purchasing panties out in the stores, you don't know, have they been tried on, returned? Did people try them on properly? Like, that always bugs me. A lot of times I like buying underwear that's already pre-packaged, which then you can't really see and hold, maybe even hold up. Does it fit? Is it going to look like it's going to fit? Are they high? I love a high thigh. Are they, sometimes, packaging is deceiving. I used to love ordering like my panties from Victoria's Secret because, I don't think they take returns. I'm not sure if they do. I know they didn't at one point. God knows. I'm sure now, no, because I've ordered things even from like Target, Amazon, and depending upon what it is, they don't, even if you don't like it and you want to return it, they just give you a credit. They don't want you returning it with all the, the pandemic stuff, which I don't blame them. So I know before I got my hair cut, I tried to order like a messy bun type thing, piece to put my hair up and do that. And it's so hard to match my hair color. And, I was going to return it because it really was not a great match. It was okay, but not a great match. And then I went and got my hair cut, so now I can't use it at all. But I'm stuck with it. If I let my hair grow again, which I'm sure I will, could possibly use it or pass it on to somebody, somebody that it might match their tone better. But got off on a sidetrack there. I'm so sorry. But what I was saying is there's no returns. So I know these have never been tried on and sent back, because that is really, to me, is just very unsanitary and kind of disgusting in a way. If you really start thinking about stuff like that, which I generally don't, but with underwear, I do. If I do purchase, they do get washed before I wear them because, you just have to, you know, be safe, you know, especially with panties. But I think for the price of $14.99, this is a great bargain. I mean, you order one pair of panties from Victoria's Secret, you could easily spend $9, $10, $8. Sometimes on sales, you can get three, you know, 3 for 10 or something like that. But that's only on a sale, which is phenomenal. But this is a standard price every month. I have a whole drawer full of these, and ones that I never wore, still had the tags on, never tried on, because I usually just, you know, put them in my drawer with the tags on in a different pile. And then if I want to start wearing some of them, I'll pull the tags off, throw them in the wash with my, you know, with my other whites, and then put them in a different pile that they've now been tried on and washed. I gave a ton away in my charity bag because they still have the tags on, never were tried on. And, you know, if you can't afford to buy panties and you get a pair of panties in a bag with a tag on it, you know, bring them home and wash them. I mean, that's not something I would buy like in a like a Goodwill type store. But if that's the only option that I have, then, you know, so be it. I'm not here to judge anyone. So I think this is a great one to get. I hope you're all doing well, enjoying your day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.